Bing bong, hello. Oh, bing bong, hello. Welcome back. Yo, this is my first trunk or treat. We are in Murray, Utah. This shop right here. What is that? One day rap lab. One day rap. I feel like, man, I messed that up. But that. I've been drinking, okay? So anyway, One Day Rap Lab, there it is. Murray, Utah, trunk or treat. This thing is huge. It's a car show. It's Halloween, trunk or treaters. There's a raffle going on. There's kids games. There's hot chocolate. Man, I thought it was chili. I thought this dude was stirring chili. It was freaking hot chocolate, man. But there's hot chocolate over there. You know how we get down. I'm gonna show you everything. But first, let me show you my taco chair. Look at that. It's pretty cool. I like it. All right, let's go.
Practice makes perfect, baby, and I'm so confident. Wood grain switching lanes like it's fucking 9-6. I've been known to fuck shit up like Jordan versus Knicks. These other niggas, they on some sucker shit. I just play these suckers quick, never hesitate to squeeze. I pull it and bust it quick. Set sail overseas, Italian the cuisine. No assumptions necessary, I can fulfill your needs. really making the mark I plan for. But what if this is life that I really plan for? Dark nights break to the skies, waiting for my savior to arrive. But nothing, just empty liquor bottles. Truth so bitter, hard for me to fucking swallow. Take another hit, just erase the guilt. Take another pill, nigga, tell me how you feel. Floating like I'm on a motherfucking dollar bill. Maybe one day we can fucking make a meal. Now baby, this life is crazy, but your life has saved me from a dark path of what I was. That life I'm so sick of. I just wanna know what's in store for me. I just need to know what's in store for me. I just wanna know what's in store for me. I just need to know what's in store for me.
Conscious Night Records.
I'm going to talk to you this evening on the subject of the spectrum of love.
from the heart. This is it misses. I miss you, been long and I need you. Hopefully we get to reminisce soon in light phrases. Baby, just plan the engagement, hit the lie, and we wonder where the days went. This is meant like peppermint patties. You be the mom, I play the daddy. The seeds that we planted, they will blossom with souls across them. How you like the names Elijah and Austin? Used to kick it, but no sock up. Quick to bust the block up if a nigga run across ya. Positive vibes only, you always console me. To the darkest places like lagoons or some spaceships. In my mind it often races to various places. To the moon and back, that's how far my love stretches. When you get the time, can you hit me back? When you get the time, can you hit me back?
Hola mi amor, acabé de recibir tu mensaje y me llegó al alma. Me hiciste recordar todos los momentos tan bonitos e íntimos que hemos tenido. La verdad es que todavía me hace sonreír y sentir así de especial como antes. Te adoro y te veo más tarde.
Yo, check this out. So it started at 4. I think right now it might be 6:30. And I don't know if y'all can see, but the line is way down the street. And it's been that way for hours. I'm about to jump across this thing. Uh-oh. Oh no, it's all good. Stop. Hey, appreciate it, thank you. Yo, so it goes all the way.
We'll try tomorrow.
All the way down.
It should be.
But the crazy thing is, everybody ran out of candy like 2 hours ago. Dope, man. This is the second year that they've done this. Crazy turnout. Beautiful show. Dope event. Yo, y'all heard that scary voice? Scared the shit out of me.